Alright guys, Papa Pepper back once again. Today I'm trying something different that I've never tried before. I'm actually going to go kayak fishing. I did it once in Lake Michigan with my brother's kayak. Didn't really do much, didn't catch anything. But it's going to be my first time in the Ozarks here. A friend of mine, neighbor, lent me that. And I'm going to pretty much challenge the little peppers to a duel. I've got the three big little peppers, pinky pepper, monster pepper, and red pepper. And we're going to try to check this out. It's almost 80 degrees today. I was chainsawing in the woods. It became hot and sweaty. And out through here is all the flooded woods. It's really cool. I was in here about waist deep last night attempting to bow fish, and I just kept seeing those giant red-eared sunfish we keep hitting, and then I kept seeing big bass. So with all the crawlers, the night crawlers out on our property lately, we're just going to give it a try. But we'll see which of us can catch more, if it'll be me or all the children, and hopefully we'll have some good food anyway. I'm hoping to actually limit out and catch 50 of them. I'm not saying it can be done, but I'm hoping to. And I'm going to strap the GoPro to the kayak to take you guys along with me. How is it paddling that? We quit just in time, it's starting to rain. Gotta quit sometime. No, but we'll unload that and I'll let them paddle back rather than getting wet, because it's a lot cooler now than it was when we started. There you go. Keep going. Yeah, I think you drove on a log. Stick it to the bottom. Stick your paddle to the bottom and push. Hey, you gotta put it behind you and push yourself forward. Pinky, have you kayaked before? Have you kayaked before? Well, you're a natural. I suppose practicing rowing a boat recently probably helped, huh? You ready to see who caught more fish? Are you ready to see who caught more fish?
Yeah, you did.
You think I did?
Yeah.
Let's find out. Bring her in, Pinky Poo. All right, guys, we're gonna do the moment of truth. We're gonna see how these children did. Red Pepper's just cruising around in the kayak because she didn't actually catch anything, but these two did. Lift up what you got. Show me what you got, kids. How many each you got?
Four.
So 4 each on those stringers. Walk them a little closer. And here's what I caught for keepers. Back up, children. Look at this is what I caught for keepers. Besides about 20 I let go that were too small. So I did get first fish, biggest fish I think. It's something like that. And the most fish, but I also got the prettiest fish. Look at that, guys. This is a pumpkin seed. If you can see that, these are some of the most beautiful fish. They remind me of the saltwater fish called a discus. And they are absolutely incredible, which is why I just kept it for a minute to make sure to show you guys. That is so cool. So we definitely got food. But we got something else really cool to show you guys. So we actually have the opportunity to show you guys a full family of river cooters. So cooter is actually an African word, I forget which language, for turtle. That's why it's a common nickname in the South, but some of the species of turtles here are actually called cooters. So I found this guy right at the beginning. They've got an incredible back pattern and kind of lacking on the belly. They look kind of somewhat similar to a red ear slider, but there's no red ear to be sliding on. And this is what a full-grown female looks like. So this is actually a female. They should be mating season probably right about now. They will be laying the eggs a little later on, and then they'll actually hatch in the fall. So here's a big female. And this one's a male. One thing, if you notice with the male, look at the length of those claws. Do you see how long those front claws are? See, the females have to dig into the hard earth to bury their eggs. So if they had nails like that, it wouldn't help them. But these guys got long ones, and I think sometimes they even like kind of stroke the female to try to encourage them into mating. And look at that shell. Guys, these are incredible creatures. I mean, there's not a lot of color variations in there, but wow for what they got. And then the thing about this guy too is I'm guessing that it hatched out last fall and then chose to overwinter in the nest underground after it hatched, and then kind of crawled out this spring back into the big world. So I think this guy's coming home for the pond. And we're gonna let it live in our pond for now, and we're gonna let those other ones go. But what a cool creature. You guys will tip. All right, guys, well, we're back home. We got some fish to clean and to enjoy. We're going to do that. It started to rain. I've still got my friend's chainsaw and some other things I got to grab here. So did we have fun today?
Yes.
Did you learn some things about kayaking?
Yes.
And you catch any fish?
Yes.
All right, so you ready to clean them?
Yes, kind of.
Kind of. All right, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Pop out.
1, 2, 4, 6.
What is that bugger?
Fish. 1, 2, 4. They do fish for us, Mommy.
32 fish for our family?
1, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Hey, It looks like Belle likes the little fish too. Belle, do you want to eat the fish, baby?
Don't take it in there.
Hey, baby, do you want to eat the fish too? Oh, I think you do.